Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you today? Before we start our class, let's pray first. Finish. Okay class, I want to attend then. If I call your name, please say present or yes. Veronica, Siska, Aldi, Tiara, Kevin. Okay, you all here. So now we are going to start our lesson. Okay class, our lessons about procedure text. There are meaning, generic structure, and example. Procedure text is a type of text that serves to inform the reader about the steps of doing something. Usually, this text begins with how to. For example, how to operate or how to make. So, what is the purpose of procedure text? This text is used to describe how something is created, done, or used with clear and sequential steps. The purpose of procedure text is to show how something is made, used, or done through a sequence of steps. To recognize the procedure text, we need to know its characteristics, just like if we met someone the first time. Here are some of the language characteristics of the procedure text. First, this text discusses the facts about the creation or use of something. So we need to use a simple present tense. Second, since we need to explain some steps, we must use the common sentence or imperative sentence. Example of sentences in procedure text are add 5 unions, get some yes and pen. Most importantly, you know the common sentence must begin with a verb. For example, are make, stir, boil, add, turn on, get, and so on. Next, third, in the procedure text, when we want to explain the step of making or using, there are times when we need to connect one sentence with another sentence. Therefore, we need to wordly usage or connect types. For example, first, second, after that, then, finally, last, and so on. Next, generic structure. Generic structure in procedural text, there are end or goal, ingredients or materials, and steps or methods. Well, aim or goal. Usually, this purpose lies in the title and indicates the purpose for which the text was created. For example, how to make dalgona coffee. Next, ingredients or materials. You are required to write ingredients or materials. Writing ingredients or materials is useful to explain what materials or tools are used to make something in the procedure text. For example, the ingredients to make dalgona coffee are coffee and sugar. We also need a spoon and warm water. Next, steps or methods. Until we are at the end, namely writing step or methods, this section is about what steps are taken to achieve the purpose of the procedure text. For example, first was the tomatoes. This is example of the procedure text. How to make scrambled eggs. Ingredients: 2 eggs, milk, 1 teaspoon of butter, pinch of salt and water. Step. First, crack the eggs into a small bowl and add a pinch of salt and pepper until all is well blended. 2. In a frying pan, add butter and let it melt. 3. Pour in the eggs and milk and wait for around 20 seconds. Do not stir it. After that, fold the eggs to the center and stir it with a spatula. 5. Repeat the previous step until all the eggs are mostly cooked. 6. Remove the eggs from the head and continue to fold and stir the eggs for around a minute. Last, leave the eggs and put them on a serving plate. Your scrambled eggs are ready. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next week and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.